Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
Groundbreaking ceremony for the agricultural mechanization scheme initiated for rural farmers across the country by indigenous oil giant Belemaoil Producing Limited and the Jack Rich Aid Foundation was performed recently in Sokoto by founder and president of Belemaoil Producing Limited, Engineer Jack Rich Jr. Engineer Jack Rich Jr., who holds the title of Serkin Uruwa Hausa, says the program was conceived to create wealth and reduce socio-political tension in the country. Correspondent Tekena Amefuri has more.
Under the agricultural mechanization scheme, 1 million rural farmers across the country are to be assisted with modern tools and cash to transit to commercial farming, courtesy of Belemaoil Producing Limited and Jack Rich Aid Foundation. The presentation of a check of 300 million naira to beneficiaries of the scheme in Sokoto marked the commencement of its first phase, which captures 19 northern states of the country.
These peasant farmers are struggling every day, using oars and other, crude means, of trying to make ends meet. And providing a mechanized agriculture system will further enhance these communities and motivate their children to also toil the way of their parents. And for us, agriculture is key, and that's food security for our country. And also to ensure that we help to reduce the social unrest that is ravaging a lot of our communities as a result of need.
During his recent visit to Sokoto State, Engineer Jack Rich Jr. also performed groundbreaking ceremony for a hostel block project fully funded by Belemaoil Producing Limited at the Usman Danfodio University, Sokoto. While in Sokoto, Jack Rich Jr. and his team inspected a water project awarded by the indigenous oil giant at Riginya Shehu in the state capital. Sultan of Sokoto, Alhaji Saad Abubakar, and Governor Aminu Tambuwal, who endorsed all the projects funded by Belemaoil, lauded the initiative of its founder, Engineer Jack Rich Jr.
This gentleman had already done something great at the State University and is back doing these greater things, especially the hostel, which we believe can go a long way in helping the university to have a more secure student population.
We need more of this to further cement and strengthen the unity of this country. I've always said that Nigeria, to me, is not a mistake. It's through such efforts as being demonstrated by Mr. Jack Rich and others that we can make Nigeria work.
Earlier, Engineer Jack Rich Jr. was in Kastina States to perform the groundbreaking ceremony for the Daura Children's Hospital. The project was conceived to check increasing rates of child and maternal mortality in Daura and its environs. Governor Bello Masari recalled that Belemaoil had before this time funded a massive water project in the area, while describing all its projects as impactful and life-transforming.
What you are doing, Serkin Uruwa Hausa, it is only God. He knows the limit of the benefits you will drive in this world and in the hereafter.
The project is a very comprehensive one because it has all the facilities for patient care and management. This is the kind of partnership and collaboration that we have always talked about, that is from the private sector, complementing efforts of government.
Few weeks back, Belemaoil Producing Limited witnessed a foundation-laying ceremony for the construction of an ultra-modern hostel block at the University of Port Harcourt, fully funded by the indigenous oil giant as part of its corporate social responsibility to its host communities in the Niger Delta. In line with its operational philosophy, Belemaoil had decided to extend its goodwill to other socio-economically vulnerable communities in northern Nigeria with the funding of landmark projects that have touched several lives in the region.
Inside the Niger Delta,